With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is, in the figure, a bar of mass, that is small m, is on the smooth inclined face of the wedge of mass, that is capital M. The inclination of the horizontal wedge, that is theta, the wedge is resting on the smooth horizontal plane. Assuming the pulley to be smooth and the spring is light and inextensible, find the acceleration of capital M and small m. Alright, this will be small m and this will be capital M only of capital M when capital M and small m are always in contact. Alright, so first of all, let's see what all are the forces acting on the system. So first thing is first, let's draw the FBD. Alright, so after there will be definitely, first of all, there will be some mg acting downwards for this wedge, that is capital M into G. Alright, so there will be some normal force over here, let's call this N1, and normal force because of this wedge of capital M as N2. Alright, here will be normal as well, N1. This one is moving downward with some acceleration. Here will be tension again. Alright, and this is also moving in this direction with the same acceleration A. So if we see all this very carefully, one thing we understand that, let me draw this more clearly. Yeah, so on the right in this direction there is tension, and up vertically there is N2, downwards there is capital M into G, and in this direction there is N1, and this is theta, and this is tension again, and here is theta. Alright, and now let's see for this situation over here for the block of having mass small m. So in this direction there is tension, downwards there is mg, in this direction there is acceleration, here there will be pseudo force, this is theta, this is theta as well, and in this direction there is N1. Alright, so now we will be writing equation for capital M and small m. Let me just make it very clear. This was for mass of having small m, and this FBD was for the mass having capital M. Alright, so now we will be writing the equation for capital M. For capital M it will be T plus N1 sine theta minus T cos theta is equals to capital M into A. Let's take this as equation 1. And for this it will be MA cos theta plus MG sin theta minus T is equals to M into A. Alright. Also one more equation we can write from here. Let's take this as equation 2. We can write as N1 plus MA sin theta is equals to MG cos theta. Let's take this as equation 3. Now from solving equation 1, 2 and 3, very simple equations, after solving we will get the value for acceleration, that will be mg sine theta divided by capital M plus 2 into m into 1 minus cos theta. Alright, so this will be our final answer. These are very simple equations. I'm assuming that you can do by yourself, and this will be our final answer after solving these three equations. Alright, this will be our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.